In this tutorial, I'll show you how to earn money using Pinterest affiliate marketing. You could potentially make up to $7,995 monthly. You don't need many followers or complicated steps. Let's start and learn how to make your Pinterest account a money-making tool. I'll teach you how to find popular pins so you can make money every day. You don't have to be super famous online, not even if you're just starting out. Let's get started right away without wasting any time. Before you dive into using Pinterest to get folks clicking on your affiliate links without spending a dime, it's essential to choose a trending topic. A neat trick I discovered is to explore trends.pinterest.com. This site lets you search for things that catch your interest. Whether it's gadgets or cool finds on Amazon, just type it in. This helps you see what's hot and what people are buzzing about. By tapping into popular topics, you increase the chances of your pins getting noticed and driving traffic to your affiliate links. So, take a moment to explore trending topics on Pinterest before you start pinning. It's a smart way to align your content with what people are searching for, ultimately boosting your chances of success in affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Let's say you really love snowboarding. You type snowboarding and see if it's popular. But, oh no, it's not trending much right now. Don't worry, keep looking. So, I tried something else. Since it's springtime, I typed spring outfits is really popular. Loads of people are searching for it on Pinterest. Choosing a trending topic like this can help your pins get noticed and bring more people to your affiliate links. It's a smart way to make money with Pinterest. This is how you find those viral pins that can bring in the cash. You just gotta keep trying different keywords until you hit the jackpot. So whether it's snowboarding or spring outfits or anything else you're into, Pinterest got the scoop on what's hot. To find out more about my idea, I went back to Pinterest and searched for spring outfits. Then, I looked at different pins to see if they were getting any views. For example, I found a pin from a user called Female Fashion. They only have about 1,000 followers, but their pins get 1.8 million views every month. That means they could be making around $5,000 a month. Now, I'll show you how you can legally use someone else's images on your Pinterest account and make money from them. You can grow your Pinterest account from scratch and make money in different ways without needing a camera. First, every Pinterest account, like this one, has a banner, a name, and a bio that tells people what the account is about. It's important to stick to one niche. So, use Pinterest trends to find a good niche and focus on that instead of jumping around to different ones. Now, let's create a banner. We'll use Canva.com, which is a free graphic design tool. You can search for banners or Pinterest banners and choose a template you like. For this tutorial, I'll choose one and customize it by changing the text to AMS Outfits and adding a headline that describes my page. You can change the fonts, colors, and everything else too. Next, we'll search for spring outfits on the left side and choose photos if we want to change them. Once done, we'll download the banner. We can also make a logo using Canva. Just search for logo design, pick a template, and customize it. Then download the logo. Alright, let's return to my Pinterest account. Click on Edit Profile. Here, you'll change your profile picture. For me, I'm adding the logo I created using Canva. Then, move on to modifying the name. It's crucial to include keywords you're aiming to rank for. For instance, I'm naming my store AMS Outfits. Additionally, I'll include spring outfits or any other trending keyword. This step is vital because it helps users discover your store when they search for those specific terms. By making these adjustments, you enhance your visibility on Pinterest, drawing more users to your profile and pins. This small tweak can significantly impact your ability to drive traffic to your affiliate links and boost your earnings. Therefore, take a moment to update your profile with relevant keywords and an eye-catching profile picture. And then for the About section, let's just quickly head over to ChatGPT, and I will just simply ask ChatGPT to write me a 200 characters bio for my Pinterest account in the spring outfits niche. Then it's done. Click on Copy, go back to your Pinterest account, and paste your About section over here. We can also add the banner we downloaded from Canva. So, let's just do that. Clicked on Add One, and this is how my profile looks like. So, we can start making money with affiliate marketing. To find content for your Pinterest account, you can simply go over to TikTok and find an influencer that is already posting in that niche. For example, spring outfits niche. So here's one Pinterest account that is just re-uploading TikToks and getting hundreds of thousands of views every month. And as you can see, they just credited their TikTok user in the description of this post. They are literally just re-uploading TikToks, so they attract all of these people interested in clothing so that they can promote something on their page. This is a great TikTok that I found that has over 1 million views and over 100,000 likes. What we can do is we can copy the link of this by clicking here and head over to a page called Snap.app, a free website where we can download TikToks to your computer for free with no watermarks. So just paste your link over here, click on download, and download once again. Just download it or TikTok. And then let's go back to my Pinterest account. You want to click here, create a pin, and upload that TikTok we just downloaded. You want to add a title. You want to add what the pin is about. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a description for your pins. But most importantly, don't forget to credit the person from whom you actually got a post. So, in this case, I'm just going to copy the username. Let's get back to the TikTok. Copy this username, go back to your Pinterest account, type in credit, and just paste the TikTok over here. Also, we can copy this and use it for our title. To make our pin even better, we should add tags. Let's type in spring outfits and see what comes up. We can add this tag and a few others like it. Now, let's talk about the destination link. This is where you start making money from your pins. In this guide, we'll use Amazon.com because it has a lot of clothes and outfits to promote. First, you need to create your Amazon Associates account by following some easy steps. If you already have an account, that's great. Just go to Amazon.com and search for spring outfits. You can choose any outfit you like, but for now, let's stick with this one. Click on it, and you'll see a sidebar at the top where we can get our affiliate link for this product. Just click on text and copy this link. A quick note, the best way to use Amazon Associates is to create a storefront with lots of different outfits and clothes. That way, when someone clicks on your link, they can see a variety of items to choose from. But for this tutorial, we'll just focus on this one product. It's an easy way to start making money with Pinterest. Now, let's go back to Pinterest and simply paste our link here. We can also create a board specifically for spring outfits. Just make sure it's public. Now, all we have to do is click on Publish. That's our first pin on this account. Here's how it looks for now. Anyone can do this. Click on the link, and it will redirect you to the Amazon store where you can buy the items featured in the images. And every time someone buys those items using your affiliate link, you'll earn affiliate commissions. That's it, folks. Remember, in affiliate marketing, consistency is key. It's more of a marathon than a sprint. Keep posting regularly, and you'll start seeing decent money rolling in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Your engagement helps us create more helpful content. Stay tuned for the next video.